I think anything is possible if we have the focus to pursue it. But then it takes having a vision to be able to focus. It takes knowing what you are aiming at in order to focus on it. So when you have a vision and you are able to focus, the next thing you need is persistence. You see, starting something, even when it comes to marriage, relationships, and every other thing, starting it is easy. The first 1 month, the first 2 months, then 3 months, then five, then a year. Over time, people get tired. It becomes a routine. So they get tired, which is necessary. That's why you need to spice up everything, spice up your business, spice up your relationship, so that it won't get boring. But even if it gets boring, if you remember why you started in the first place, you wouldn't give up. So persistence is necessary for anything to work. Relationship, business, you have to be persistent. You have to know, I'm not getting out of this. This is what I have to do forever. And that is why they encourage you to do what you love or what you know you can be committed to over a long period of time. So when you are persistent, then but majorly also you need to also knowledge. Knowledge is very crucial. Knowledge in every field. In fact, the easiest way to be successful in anything is to find out someone doing it, ask how they do it, what are the things that you need to do to be successful, what are the things you need to avoid in order not to fail. So knowledge is very crucial in life. Knowledge about your business, about family, about life. Knowledge is everything. In fact, ignorance is the only sin. So you have to avoid ignorance. So know what you are trying to do. Know it well. So knowledge is very crucial. So I will encourage you to seek knowledge on whatever it is you want to do. So when you have a vision and you are persistent and you have knowledge, then you need faith. You need faith, because without faith nothing works. You need to believe that what it is you are doing is going to work. So when you believe that what you are doing is going to work, that's when luck appears for you. And it is said that if you keep doing the right thing every day, you get lucky eventually. So keep being persistent at whatever it is you are doing, and then you get lucky. But there must be faith. Faith has to be the ingredients you are adding to every action, every thought, every step. You need to be faithful. You need to believe in it. You need to believe that it's going to work. And then number 5, lastly, you need to build the right relationships. You can't do it alone. You need the right relationships. You need the right people, the people that believe in you, the people that are ready to support you. You need financial relationships. You need mentors. Even though you don't get them physically, you can get them online. So you need the right relationships. You need the right friendships, the right people that will help you to get to where you are going. So I hope these 5 keys can help you to fulfill your destiny in life and to create a great path for yourself. Stay inspired.